Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to provide your passcode or your fingerprints in order to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on Ethereum, which you will be able to see on the home screen. But if you are not able to see Ethereum on the home page, then in order to add it, you will have to tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, in the search bar, you will have to search for Ethereum. Once done, you will be able to see Ethereum over here, and right next to it, you are going to see this toggle button. So you need to tap on this toggle button in order to turn it on. And once it is turned on successfully, you will have to come to the home page again, and then you need to tap on Ethereum. Now after tapping on Ethereum, in order to purchase Ethereum, you will have to tap on buy. After that, you need to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to purchase. Then it will show you a bunch of different payment methods such as Google Pay, PayPal, Apple Pay, or even your credit or debit card. So you just have to select any of the payment methods that is best suitable for you. For this video, I have selected Google Pay. So if you have selected the same, then you will have to tap on Google Pay, and then you will be redirected on the next page where you need to provide your details relating to the payment, and you simply need to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to purchase Ethereum on Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.